Hello everyone, I'm Ratrika Bhaumik and I welcome you all to another episode of Courts Today on LiveLaw, where we update you about all the important legal developments that took place across the country today. We will begin with developments from the Supreme Court of India and then move on to High Courts and other subordinate courts. If you like our content, then it would mean a lot to us if you could please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's begin. In a crucial development, the Supreme Court today dismissed petitions filed by doctors who are aspirants of the National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, that is the NEET-PG exam, seeking to postpone the exam scheduled on March 5th by 3 months. A bench comprising Justices S. Ravinder Bhatt and Dipankar Datta refused to entertain the petitions filed by candidates who had complained that they are getting less time to prepare for the exam as their internships are currently ongoing. The Supreme Court has extended the interim bail granted to Congress spokesperson Pawan Khera, who was arrested by the Assam police from the Delhi airport over his comment about Prime Minister Narendra Modi till 3rd March. The matter was listed today before the bench comprising CJI D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice P.S. Narasimha and Justice J.B. Pardewala. On February 23rd, the court had allowed him interim bail and he had been granted the same till 28th February. The Supreme Court today came down heavily on BJP leader and advocate Ashwini Upadhyay for filing a petition seeking to rename historical places which the petitioner alleged have been named after foreign barbaric invaders. The bench comprising Justices K.M. Joseph and B.V. Nagaratna asked Upadhyay if he wanted to keep the country on the boil by filing such petitions. Sensing that the bench was not inclined to entertain the matter, Upadhyay sought permission to withdraw the petition with liberty to file a representation before the Ministry of Home Affairs. However, the bench said today that it will not allow such a course to be adopted. In a significant development in the petitions challenging the third extension given to ED Director S.K. Mishra, the amicus curiae in the matter, Senior Advocate K.V. Vishwanathan, told the Supreme Court today that the extensions are illegal. Not only the extensions but also the 2021 amendment to the Central Vigilance Commission Act of 2003, which enables the centre to extend the tenure of the director of the ED up to 5 years, is illegal, opined the amicus today. The Supreme Court has held that the National Green Tribunal has powers to execute its orders as decrees of civil court under Section 25 of the NGT Act. A bench comprising Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices P.S. Narasimha and J.B. Pardewala held that the NGT was entrusted with the power to ensure that its orders are complied with. In an important development, a Delhi court today remanded Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, who was arrested yesterday by the CBI in an alleged case of corruption relating to the now scrapped excise policy, to CBI's custody till March 4th. Special CBI Judge M.K. Nagpal acceded to CBI's request for 5 days custody to question Sisodia. In an important development, the Delhi High Court today dismissed a batch of petitions challenging the constitutional validity of the Agnipath scheme for entry into the Indian Armed Forces. A division bench of Chief Justice Satish Chandra Sharma and Justice Subramaniam Prasad said that the scheme was introduced in the national interest and to ensure that the armed forces are better equipped. The Kerala High Court today reserved its decision on the bail application of Sunil N.S., also known as Pulsar Suni, the main accused in the 2017 actor assault case. The court noted that there are several decisions which state that the gravity of the offence would also have to be considered in such offences, and that simply because an accused has remained in jail for many years cannot be a ground for release. The Bombay High Court today quashed 2 FIRs against Congress party worker Sandeep Kodale and imposed Rs 25,000 costs on the state to be recovered from the salary of the police officer for wrongful arrest. Kodale was arrested last year on December 11th by the Pune police under various provisions of the IPC for promoting enmity between different groups for a social media post after ink was thrown on State Minister for Higher Education Chandrakant Patil the previous day. The Delhi High Court today directed the Union of India to file a response on the current position and status of investigation against climate activist Disha Ravi relating to the case against her in connection with the toolkit over the 2021 farmer protests. Justice Pratibha M. Singh was hearing Ravi's plea, seeking to restrain Delhi police from leaking to the media any investigation material regarding the matter. The Karnataka High Court has held that the State Commission for Protection of Child Rights cannot pass an order granting visitation rights of the child to a parent. Justice Jyoti Mulimani observed that the Commission is an advisory body and that the Act does not empower and confer upon it any power of adjudication or to decide adversarial proceedings. Thank you. Keep watching Courts Today on LiveLaw for more such updates. See you tomorrow.